Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about its approved use Audi A3 Saloon S-Line finished in the modern Floret Silver metallic paintwork. This 2019 model features a petrol engine paired with 150 PS and a manual transmission, delivering impressive fuel efficiency. The top features include these striking LED headlights paired with dynamic rear indicators for great visibility, large 18-inch alloy wheels, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and A3 badging, and this is all topped off with rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 425-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious part leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders. The front houses a multifunctional flat-bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a retractable central display, climate control, a central console, and S-embossed front part leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find connection of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. Just below, the dual zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs. This is alongside the central console that features 2 cup holders, a gear stick, AM/MI controller, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment and a wireless charging pad with 2 additional USB charging ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.